Worksport is a Canadian-based, now headquartered here in Western New York, manufacturer of automotive accessories. Our leading product is our AL3 tonneau cover. It's an aluminum tonneau cover made fully here within the factory here in West Seneca. The interesting part about the product is that it's also primarily US sourced material. To our customers, that authenticity of made by hand proudly in the US is very important and is a big key factor to driving our brand and recognition. Our initial expansion from Canada to the US in 2022 was something that we were generally concerned about. Proper immigration attorneys that were able to get us the visas for our key staff to be able to travel across the border quickly and easily and at affordable rates. The US is our primary market and a market that we really wanted to grow within. Western New York was a fantastic area geographically located for shipping, as well as with a very strong workforce and a lot of great incentives. We've always been very successful in being able to attract and retain talent here. That real strong mix of brain and brawn. One of the other key benefits of being in Buffalo, Niagara is our access to clean hydroelectric power at very affordable rates. We had a lot of great early success that we've been able to plan an expansion at this facility here of about 70,000 square feet. My vision for Worksport is simple, is to grow this business, have multiple locations producing key automotive accessories as a staple in the fabric of Western New York.